Guess what I reach for anytime I want to brighten up my day? I'm Gina with WTI, and the secret is this pair of moissanite stone earrings that I got from Delzzad. These have so much brilliance and fire in them. The center and halo stones are all moissanite. That has a higher refractive index than diamonds. So when I want to sparkle and shine more than a diamond, I reach for these. I got the 3 carat pair, so that's 9 millimeters. You can see compared to a dime about how big they are. Now, I have several piercings in each of my lobes, and I was concerned that they might get in the way of this stone, but actually, the way I have my piercing set, it worked perfectly. These are super high quality stones. They come with a certificate of authenticity. They're D-color VVS1, and they're set in 18 karat gold plating over solid sterling silver. So I've had no issues with sensitivity. I get so many compliments on these earrings. Everyone's blown away when they find out that they're moissanites, and you cannot beat this price. Do yourself a favor and get a pair for yourself or get a pair for a friend. And that's my point of view.